In this video, I will show you the best indicator for TradingView, and the best part is this indicator is completely free. So hopefully you can make some nice money from this. But first of all, I want to say this is not financial advice. Now let's get started. So to install this indicator, we need to go to this indicator bar right here. So in the top bar, press on indicators, and now just search for linear regression candles, all right? It's this one from Uyghur Fu. Tap on this. All right, just like this, and close this. First of all, I want to say this indicator works on both crypto, stocks, forex, etc. It works on any assets, which is very cool. Now we're gonna need to change some settings. So hover over this indicator right here, and then tap on the settings icon right there. Then in inputs, tap this or make this 7. Just like this, and then change the style. Then go to plot and make this line, this white line, a bit thicker. By the way, if you have your TradingView in light mode, you will probably don't see this line, so it's important to change this line to a different color. Then tap on OK, and now we're going to install another indicator. So again, go to indicators, and now type UT bot alerts. This one from Quant Nomad. Tap on it. Again, close this. And this looks very overwhelming, but again, we're going to change some settings. So go to the settings icon right there. Go to inputs, key value. We're going to change that to 2. And the ATR period, we're going to change that to 1. Then press on OK. And so since the linear extension has its own candles, we can close or we can hide the candles from the chart itself, from the TradingView chart itself. So just hover your mouse over this, and then you see 3 dots up here, and then press on hide right there. Okay, so this looks a bit better. Now, how can you work with this? With this indicator? Now, this is actually very easy, and again, you need to backtest with this. This is not financial advice. This worked for me, and hopefully it does for you as well. So you see buy and sell, all right? But what you actually need to do is if you want to open a long right here, so if you want to, if you think the market will go up, if you want to buy, then you see 2 green candles right there. But when you actually want to open that long position, is right here when this candle opens above this line. So this is where you want to open that long position. All right, so you can place the stop loss right there, and then you can, make a nice little trade. So that was a long position, but if you want to open a short position, that is possible as well. So go to the short position, and it works just the opposite. So right here you see sell, but you don't want to sell right here. So you actually want to wait for this sell to go under, or for the chart or the market to go under this white line, and this is where you want to open a short position. Right there, you can move your stop loss above this high, for example, and boom, it was a nice trade. And I just want to say this will not work every time. Also, this is not perfect. Just test it out yourself. And what I recommend you doing is go with the replay tool and really backtest if this works for you. Write down your win rate, etc., etc. By the way, if you do want to use the replay mode, replay function, you do need a paid plan. But I have a $15 discount for you in the link in the description, so you can test that out for free. And basically, you can make a good amount of money if you stay consistent, test with it, improve, learn more about trading, etc. Yeah, I mean, just like this works every time, or not every time, but it works. The strategy works, and that is so cool. Like this here, long position. When the market goes above this line, your target right there, nice trade. The same for short right there. Right there, under the line. Stop loss right above here. Nice trade, etc. It works, and that is nice. So test it out for yourself, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. yeah, just let me know. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe. Remember, you get a $15 discount if you sign up for TradingView. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.